They renamed her Kati Thanda, though no one asked me. Said it honors the elders and sets the spirit free.
But she's still salt and silent, where the red dust flies, and a lake that's more myth than it ever is right.
Now the suits from the city, they came in their fourbys, with clipboards and lanyards and faraway eyes.
They stood on the crust like they'd conquered the land, then bend every billy, each foot and each hand. No boats on Lake Eyre, no footprints allowed, just drones and agendas
From a minister proud, you can look from a distance and pay for the view, but don't you dare touch it, it's not meant for you. Old Bob from the yacht club,
he laughed till he cried. Once in 10 years it fills, and even then it's wide-eyed.
we sail when she sings, and we tread with respect. Now we're vandals and villains. What the hell did we wreck?
They claim it was sacred, long inhabited ground,
but there's no food, no water, no shelter around.
it's salt not drinkable. No one lived there full time.
To say otherwise, mate, is a cultural crime.
No boats on Lake Eyre, no soul in the room. They've caged up the outback and labeled it cool. They honor the culture with glossy brochures,
Then fine you for walking where the sunset endures.
I met a bloke dying, said it was his last ride.
To dip in the salt where the silence is wide.
We snuck him a paddle,
We broke all the laws,
and he smiled like a king with the wind in his jaws.
so here's to the dry lands,
The rebels, the tracks,
to the folks who look forward,
not just to the past.
you can own a lake
with a foam or a fee. She's part of the sky and the soul of the free. No boats on Lake Eyre, we'll see about that.
you can't fence the wind
Or the wandering hand. So we'll sail when it
rains, and we'll camp by the stars,
'cause the bush don't belong to the blokes behind bars.